Welcome to the story of Electronics Mart India Limited, EMIL, one of India's most trusted electronics retailers with over 4 decades of legacy, 220 plus stores, and a presence that spans across states with millions of square feet of retail space. Founded in 1980, we have grown to be India's fourth largest consumer durables and electronics retailer, offering a wide range of home appliances, mobiles, laptops, and accessories, all with a customer-centric approach and competitive pricing. We do not treat sustainability as an afterthought, it is integral to how we operate. From energy efficiency to responsible waste management, we are building systems that support long-term environmental and social well-being. We are investing in renewable energy across multiple outlets. With a total installed solar capacity of 187 kilowatts, we are reducing fossil fuel dependence and adding clean energy to our operational footprint. Our use of renewable energy has increased significantly over the years, reflecting our transition toward cleaner and more sustainable operations. Smart energy meters are deployed to monitor electricity usage in real time, allowing us to optimize consumption. Additionally, energy-efficient LED lighting is installed across facilities to further reduce energy use. We are committed to responsible operations. All electronic waste generated across our outlets is recycled through certified partners, ensuring environmental safety. We have also adopted sustainable biodegradable material to reduce single-use plastics at the point of sale. Our approach extends beyond disposal to prevention. As our Delhi stores have eliminated plastic bottles completely, the Telangana and Andhra Pradesh stores are progressing towards zero plastic bottle use by 2027. While purchasing a product, small choices matter, such as choosing sustainable packaging, energy-efficient products, and responsible disposal options. Our people are core to our progress. In the financial year 2024-25, we completed over 4,900 hours of training, and 100% of our workforce completed mandatory training on workplace safety, human rights, and organizational values. Over 950 lives were positively impacted through our CSR activities. Good governance underpins all our efforts. In the reporting year, there were no incidents of compliance violations, corruption, or data breaches, reflecting our commitment to ethical business practices and transparency. This is how our ESG efforts translated into measurable outcomes. To learn more, scan the QR code to access our sustainability report. At Electronics Mart India Limited, we believe responsible growth is vital for our environment, people, and stakeholders. Together, we build a future that is sustainable every day.